nothing to discuss, cause I'm taken by fault and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out. I'm a mind that's you talk. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, I know holy, and I know that careful. Like the Baba fly, my eye, don't cry,
Hey guys, it's Mia, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Cause baby, it's...
So today, I think I'm gonna do a week in the life, I'm not sure. I don't know whether to wear a beach cover up or wear this top, but this is my swimming costume and it has strings, and I just wore like shoes with strings and I was so over it, so I don't really want to wear this. Guys, I had to change the swimming costume because the other one has so much strings and I don't know how to put it on. So, and I think I left one of the strings at home, so this is what I'm wearing. But yeah, we're getting ready to go. So I wear these shoes. Made my feet look well small though. What are they going to give us? West side. So I was wearing these little sandals, right? The brown ones, but they just don't look real nice. But they do look cute, but so long to wear, I'll be honest. Thank you. You're welcome. Barney, you can wear these sunglasses too if you want them.
Those are good on me.
Bro, all it is literally a square. So if you don't want it, don't have it in it. Anyways, anything from this purse? Well, there's money in here. A little bit. Perfume of the day. Tabacco. You know the vibes. Right, I've had this perfume for nearly like 2 years. And I'm only using it now. Like, I never touched that perfume, I don't know why. Probably because it says my name on it. It's like, it's a perfume called Mia. So I don't want to use it. Got my little backpack. Got my slides. I'm ready to go. I might put shorts on because I feel a tad bit naked. I'll be so honest.
The blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Trying to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why.
Guys, we're on our way to go eat something. We just got off the boat, so we have to take a boat to go, and I don't know what they're doing. Let's go see. They're looking at something. What are you? Oh my, what is this? Can you see? What is it?
I'm literally just looking at it.
That scared the life out of me.
People really jump.
No, my heart jumped though.
Cavani, I see what you do, you little munchkin. Huh?
Yeah, he don't want to sit in the middle. Guys, I'm hot and I'm already tanned. Auntie, what's your review? Are you liking the sun?
I'm loving it, loving it, loving it.
Am I in the middle?
Yes, you are.
You can make look, yes.
Oh, the aircon is lovely, mate.
You don't need to go far.
Bad man, we no spare, baby. Oops, I done fell for your way, baby. I know, girl, but you don't know from the first time I seen your love, you got me, baby. Even though, girl, I know that I will fall for you, you got to know that.
I'm so sorry for the bad angles in this video. Guys, we're waiting for a taxi. I don't know where the man's going. 16:33, he said he's not far.
I'm 18 minutes
That's not him. Is that him? Oh, maybe it is. Guys, look at elephants.
They make them fight each other. So they make one lose the fight, but then they pay them little spikes.
Guys, can you see it?
So then when they
Elephant.
Well, lucky for understand.
Guys, we're going to go feed them.
Hi. Do it first, Emily.
Oh, don't let me get my camera. So I do it peel it off.
No, you just take one off and you let them eat it.
It's flipping it. Hey, it's like a proper suction pad.
Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so cute. Mmm.
It's crossing his back then.
Yeah.
Luôn làmกันยังไม่กิน
East and the west, I'm racking up on my bread, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her. Hey, I'm thinking I should've rest. All night long, she putting me to the test. Got a lot on, I'm trying to take out the rest. Couldn't know my lines, it's anything but the best. Hey girl, the cutest that I see. So bad I'm not using my Visine. Gotta get it like Leon and I'm a lysine. So beautiful like in my dreams. Hey boo, I'm hollering at you. Not rude, I'm just trying to be your dude. So what I gotta do is just see how that ass move. So beautiful, sorry to be crude. Yo B, I'm making the next move. And no me, I'm nothing but just smooth. Low seats, I'm setting the right mood.